Hi friends, next step நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது Langrange's Interpolation formula பேஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு sum செய்யலாம். So last video எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கு tabular columnல இந்த values தான் கொடுத்திருந்தேன். The same sum I'm going to solve. Question வந்து இந்த மாதிரி தான் கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க friends. Find f of 3 from the following table. அந்த table data வந்து கொடுத்துருவாங்க. x னா எவ்வளவு, f of x எவ்வளவுன்னு. So same thing, intervals are not equal, that is 0, 1, 2, 5. X values மட்டும் check பண்ணணும். So 0, 1, 2, 5 தாண்டிருச்சு. It should be 3, 4 is missing. So இப்படி unequal intervals இருந்ததுன்னா then we can apply the Langrange's interpolation formula friends. Now first வந்து எடுத்தோன்னே எது x0, x1, x2, x3 and y0, y1, y2, y3 அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு first mention பண்ணிக்கோங்க. First இருக்க value வந்து x0 ன்னு எடுப்போம். So x0 is equal to 0, x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2, x3 is equal to 5. And y0 ங்கிறது வந்து f of x கொடுத்திருக்குது. Sometimes they will give it as y itself. You have to consider as y0. If it is f of x, we have to consider as y0. y0 equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to 12 and y3 is equal to 147. Now, after doing this, no need to write the formula friends. Just I'll tell you the shortcut. Y is equal to, I told you a very simple method. First வந்து y0 எழுதிருங்க. f of x is equal to எழுதலாம் or y is equal to எழுதலாம். Okay, so y is equal to first y0 ஓட value என்ன 2. அதை first எழுதிருங்க 2. Then put a bracket. What should be a numerator on the first term? X. X minus x0 வந்து first இதில் மிஸ் பண்ணிருங்கன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். அப்போ x1 ஓட வேல்யூ நான் எழுதணும். x minus x0 என்ன 1. அடுத்தது multiplied by x minus x2, x minus x5. next denominatorல மேலே என்ன வேல்யூ மிஸ் பண்ணோம், x0 வேல்யூ, அதால சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணுங்க மேலே போட்டிருக்க எல்லாத்தையும். that is 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 5. first term is completed. Very simple. Now next one, same thing. y1 you have to write first. So y1 is 3. 3 into, what is the numerator? x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3. அங்கே வந்து first இதில் x0 மிஸ் பண்ணோம், இங்கே வந்து x1 மிஸ் பண்ணணும். So x minus x0 is 0, x minus x1 எழுதக்கூடாது. So அப்போ அடுத்து 2, x minus 2 into x minus 5 divided by, so now what you missed there, x1, that value is 1. So you have to just subtract it with that. So 1 minus 0, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 5. Second term is over. Now look at the third term similar way. What is a y2? It is 12 plus 12 and the numerator should be first term is x. Okay, x0 you have to write, x1 we have to write, but x2 we have to miss it here. So x minus 5 divided by the same what you missed, you have to write it down as the first term in the denominator. So 2 minus 0, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 5. Now the same way, what is a y3? y3 is plus 147. So plus 147 and the numerator first thing should be x minus x0. So that is x minus 0, x minus 1, x minus 2 divided by what is missed, 5. x3 is missing. So 5 minus 0, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 2. Now you want to simplify my dear friends. So first வந்து நான் everything I have done it in my rough column. Later just I have applied it. First பாருங்க, first termல 2 into x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 5, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 5. So நான் வந்து first 3 terms multiply பண்ணணும். So I have done it in the rough column here nearby. X minus 1, x minus 2, just if you multiply x into x, x squared, and then minus 2 into x, you will be getting minus 2x, and then minus x, minus 1 into minus 2, it is plus 2. Just multiply the two roots, that is x minus 1 and x minus 2. Just you multiply the equation, so you will be getting x squared minus 3x plus 2. Now again I should multiply with one more term, that is x minus 5. So the x squared minus 3x plus 2 should be multiplied by x minus 5. When you multiply, you will be getting x squared into x cube, and then minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 5x squared plus 15x plus 10. Sorry, minus 10 plus 2 into minus 5. You will be getting minus 10. Now if you simplify, x cube is only one term, so x cube, and x squared is minus 5 and minus 3x squared. So you will be getting minus 8x squared. And then next one, x term, we have two terms, plus 2x and 15x plus 15x. So totally it is plus 17x. constant term is only one term, that is minus 10 divided by minus 5. How do you get minus 5 denominator? We have there in the first term 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 5. What is 0 minus 1? I have simplified and written there minus 1. Next one, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 0 minus 5 is minus 5. Next thing, so if you simplify minus 1, minus 2 and then minus 5, you will be getting minus 10. Already we have in the numerator y naught as 2. So if you simplify 1 by 5, you will be getting a negative 1 by 5. So that is what I have written here, minus 5. Now just I am going to multiply the denominator negative with the numerator. So it will be changed to, I have written the first term, that is x cube minus x cube plus 8x squared minus 17x plus 10 divided by 5. Like this we have to simplify for everything, friends. So same way, second term, plus 3 into x minus 0, x minus 2, x minus 5, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 5. Okay, now look at the terms. What are the terms? X minus 0, you have to take it as x. X minus x into x minus 2, that is x squared minus 2x. One more term we have to multiply. So it is x squared minus 2x into x is x squared into x is x cube minus 2x squared minus 5x squared and plus 10x. That is equal to x cube minus 7x squared plus 10x. Okay, I have multiplied the numerator. Now what is the denominator? 1 minus 0, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 5. That is 1 into minus 1 into minus 4. That is if I multiply, I will be getting positive 4. So numerator is 3 and constant value is plus 4. 3 by 4. That is what I have to multiply the numerator with the 3. So it is like 3x cube minus 7 3s are 21. So I have written here minus 21x squared, 3 into 10 30x divided by 4. Like this, if you simplify the third term, that is 12 into such x minus 0, x minus 1, x minus 5, 2 minus 0, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 5. I will be getting minus 2x cube plus 12x squared minus 10x. Now the last term also similar way you have to simplify. If you simplify, you will be getting an answer plus 49x cube minus 147x squared plus 98x divided by 20. Okay, fine. Once it is done, as the denominators are different, we know that you have to take an LCM. Take an LCM and then simplify the x cube terms, x squared terms, and then x and the constants. If you simplify, you will be getting 20x cube plus 20x squared, 20x squared minus 20x plus 40 divided by 20. I can just divide it by 20 with all the numerators. So if I simplify, I will be getting x cube plus x squared minus x plus 2. So this is the polynomial, friends. So once it is the polynomial, if you get, what is the value they ask you to find? 3. What is f of 3? Just apply in the place of x. It is 3 cube plus 3 squared minus 3 plus 2. 3 cube is 27, 3 squared is 9. So 27 plus 9 minus 1, that is equal to 35. F of 3 is equal to 35 and the polynomial is f of x is equal to x cube plus x squared minus x plus 2. Thank you, friends.